Hello viewers, how are you? I am fine, thank you very much. Welcome to my Make Money YouTube channel. The Facebook. How to make money of Facebook and the details of the Facebook platform. Facebook is a social media platform by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004. It is the one of the most popular social networking site in the world. This over 2.9 billion user monthly active user 2021. Facebook generate revenue primary the thought that advertising hard the few way that Facebook make money. Advertising Facebook also business to create an ads that appear in the news feed, story and the areas of the site. This ad can be targeted of a specific demography, integrity and the behavior. Making the highly effective and reaching and the discover audience. The Facebook marketplace. The Facebook all of user the buying and selling item on this the marketplace of platform Facebook. The company taken a cut of each transmission and occurs on the platform. Virtuality Facebook owner the access VRA companies that create there the company generate the revenues throughout is the sales or BR handles and this game. Direct collection. The Facebook collection the visit amount data on user including there are inside, behind and location. The data including has over create the targeting ad and this including sales amount of their data and there are highly composition. All over Facebook primary source of the revenue advertising and this platform is the continually finding new oil and the monetization in the masses of user base. Facebook social network site is the founder Mark Zuckerberg. This platform user newsletter and other site scan Facebook user data collection user activity search is liking and instead targeted ads and specific ad demography targeted advertise and target audience all over resource with the Facebook so able to advertise. In additional advertising, Facebook also generate revenues through the products and service as such as Facebook marketplace is a big marketplace in the world. The platform buying and selling the goods or service which is the Facebook community. The Facebook page. The platform business in organize, the create and manage the Facebook person. The Facebook group. A platform user the content like made individual and search the content related there the including the virtuality. Facebook owners the occurs is virtuality. Facebook is a social media platform. Hello friends, the how to make money, lot of make money game, the Facebook marketplace. Facebook newly published 2023, the lot of how to make money, the Facebook shortage, Facebook status, Facebook instant. You can profile the given the make money of Facebook and pages given make money of Facebook. You have the Facebook three types of make money. The one types of your short videos uploading the your Facebook reels make money same instant ad your Facebook page how to make a Facebook page lot of page you are the sellings the make money and Facebook the lot of videos are the it is the make money. Dear friends, the present times, the powerful and social media marketing, the platform, the Facebook, sells and sellers and business, the high reach movement